Okay, if you need to patch some drywall somewhere and you don't see any wood studs to nail in your drywall, I just took a 2x4 and I put this one behind the drywall and used some drywall screws to nail it in. That way when I put my drywall on top, there will be something I can drill it into. I'm going to show you how I am patching this drywall. I first took my X-Acto knife and I went at a diagonal line and kind of just scored the edges of the drywall so that it was kind of curving in to each other. I'm going to mix some Easy Sand 5 to help patch this drywall patch, and you want to make it look like peanut butter or sour cream. If I'm patching bigger areas, I would use Easy Sand 60 or 20, depending on the size. But this process is called the pre-fill process. So I'm taking that Easy Sand 5 and then putting it along the seams just to pre-fill it in. So once I've got that pre-fill in, I'm gonna take that Fibamesh tape and I'm just gonna put it right over the pre-fill line, and then I'm gonna put another coat on top. Now that I've got the Fibamesh tape on, I'm gonna go back over it with the Easy Sand 5. Now this stuff dries fast, so if you're doing a larger area, like something like that, I would recommend like Easy Sand 20 or 60 or something. That way it won't dry as fast and you have more time to like work with the space. After your first coat, it may look something like this where you still see the mesh tape. Go ahead and do a second coat on top and it will look fabulous. This is after my second coat. I'm going to do a third coat and then just sand it, prime it, paint it. Follow me for more DIY tips and tricks.